This 2017 Newmar Canyon Star 3921 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, Illusion Decor, Verona Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 9, awning, self-contained, leveling jacks, slideout, TV antenna, air conditioning, stovetop burner, refrigerator, external shower, and 75-gallon fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear entertainment. This 2017 Newmar Canyon Star 3921 and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.